All right, guys, so Doge USDT, where we're hedging. Check out my video from yesterday, but you can see that we lost like some very key support, trendline resistance, EMA, horizontal resistance. So I think we're going to see more bleed for Doge and other altcoins and meme coins. If Doge dump, all the other one that going to dump. So stay tuned until this end of this video. We're gonna discuss like where are the major key support, resistance, where we're heading, where should have some potential entries, and so on. I made as well today like chart analysis for Ethereum, Bitcoin, Polkadot, with Pepe, Link, and so on. So after this one, watch the other ones and you have a better understanding. All right, guys. So now for my video of yesterday, I said that we don't want to lose like the 21 EMA that we lose indeed today. We are Friday, we are heading to the weekend, so expect some volatility, and this is back with some volume. So bigger player, big institutions, money makers try to liquidate people. That's something. They're hunting people. They're hunting the stop loss of people. All right, the liquidity, very important. All right, now it's okay. We just need to see it as opportunity. This trend line is going to act for quite some time, for a few days, so we need to pay attention on. So now we need to focusing where are the entries. Entries are not yet, guys. Don't catch a falling knife, Let it fall on the ground, and then when it's safe, pick it up on the ground, right? So far so good. We need to do the next stop. So the next stop in terms of support is 18 cents, all right? So this area, we need to pay close attentions. This area. A lot of eyes are on this area. So now, it's going to act as a money magnet, as we already know. So expect that like in a few hours, so end of Friday, beginning of Saturdays, that we're revisiting this price. I may be wrong, don't shoot the messenger, but I think it's like 80 cents is very, very probable. That's the way that the trend acting, right? It want to go on the way down. The liquidity is on this spot, it's something that we need to pay attention, so be safe. Now take a screenshot as well, like that you have an idea. Just gonna zooming out a bit. Boom, yeah, like that. Take a little screenshot and you have a better idea. All right, so now the question is, where we going now? It's here, okay? It's in terms of probability, we cannot predict the future, but it seems to go there. 80 cents going to bounce back as a major ones. We want to have bounce, break the trend line. It's amazing, and we are out and we just chill and have fun. Now what I expect is maybe like some little release bounce, maybe a bit of sideways for the weekend. If we lose 18 cents, I think we're on a big trouble. We're on a big trouble because this, like, the weekly time frame is like 18 cents. So if we lose this one, I think we can go like very, very low. Like you can see the interest on the next one. I don't think so. This one's going to act as this is a major ones. But you can tell that, you can see that like in terms of trading, like here, the weekly here. So how many people got like liquidity interesting here? But this is like more on a long play, long run, I think that like we already like exhausted like from this move already from the top. So for me, it will make really sense that we go all the way down, liquidate people, chase the liquidity, then like the market going to reassess a bit of sideways, and then say just get some more indications, more how can I say, more data to say, look, we are not strong enough, we need more strength, let's go down a little bit to break by this wall later on. But I think that's something that just stay tuned, because I will just chase this one down for the next few hours, days, to have like maybe a good interest for you guys. But that's something that I'm pay attention for Doge. It's like all the altcoins. So if Doge bleeding like this, expect all the other meme coins as well bleeding kind of crazy in terms of percentage. The mid cap like Solana, Ethereum, DOT, and so a little bit less, but still like some percentage expecting, you know. Overall, like yes, expect some move on a downward from there. And guys, you know, same as usual, you know, I got like all the crypto deals in the descriptions, that if you want to subscribe, get some bonuses from exchanges, OKX, Bitgate, Binance, and so on. I think it's really important just to trade safely. Be careful on your stop loss. If you get stopped but you've been following on strategy, it's amazing. If not, just be safe. Stay tuned for my video, because I will make sure that just to try to nail the entries. And you can check out as well, like if you got some bags on Ethereum, Bitcoins, Link, Doge, WIF, and so on, you name it. You know this channel, we do technical analysis, news, and we track down the price. On that note, guys, have a fantastic Friday and stay tuned for the next video. Be safe and trade well, my friend. Bye bye.